Herons and Lady Herons, welcome sa ating second part ng ating U-Talk Valentine's Special. Again, I am Migs.
And I'm Ali.
And this is our special guest,
Ate Love.
Hi everyone, it's yours truly Ate Love, but you can call me Luna. Thank you so much guys for
Thank you so
having me
much.
today. It's such an honor.
Syempre, we love what you can share to our heroes for our Valentine's
Super special. Kasi pilot episode, tapos siya talagang ating first
Yeah,
release.
a special episode for special experiences. I
Special
really
person.
love this setup you guys had. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you so much.
Syempre,
Kaya-
all of this now for heroes and lady heroes.
Kaya naman, Herons and Lady Herons, samahan niyo na ulit kami. And we will proceed for our second part. I talk,
We talk.
chika time na sa U-Talk!
Ngayon naman, ready na ba kayo sa ating second game?
Ano yung
What's our
second
next
game
Perfect
naman?
second game na. We're going to choose whether it's princess treatment or bare
Bare minimum.
Parang match siya dun sa topic
Okay.
natin.
Sige,
Diba?
go.
Okay, as usual, bubunot tayo uli sa ating
Lagay na lang natin.
medical.
Okay.
Medical
Tanggalin
box.
muna natin yung laman nito.
Ayan,
Okay.
dito na lang
Isasalin
tayo.
natin
Salin
siya.
natin.
Tapos mix na kunwari yung gaganon-ganon.
Okay,
Pakita naman natin yung ball natin.
ASMR.
ASMR. So, sino ang mauunang bubunot?
Ako na.
Ayan, si Ate Ali naman muna.
Go. Tapos, are we going to raise the flag? Right?
Okay, green kapag
Princess treatment.
Yeah.
Red
kapag bare minimum.
minimum. We only have one eh. Are we going to use like, ikaw sa green, ikaw sa red?
Hindi,
sige.
kasi baka magkaiba kami ng opinions eh.
Sa bagay. O, isa-isa na lang muna.
Okay.
O kaya, answer, kung sino may hawak ng flag, siya na lang yung unang answer.
Okay.
O sige, ako muna
Go
mag-answer.
first.
So wait, princess treatment, bare minimum.
Yeah.
Okay.
Kaso parang na-associate siya si red flag and green
Wag
flag.
mo na ngayon.
Oh, sige, wag muna to, wag
Parang
muna
wag
to.
na lang pala. Okay, ang ating first is, wow, I got number 1. Giving her favorite flowers. Ayaw pa
Ayaw mo pabukas.
pabukas. Just because.
Just because.
Flowers, favorite flowers niya na just because.
Yeah.
Bare minimum.
Bare
For
minimum
me.
siya for me.
I mean, princess treatment. Kasi, like, let's be honest here, in this economic,
Mahal ang flowers.
mahal ang flowers,
Mahal ang
lalo na kung real life. If totoong flowers talaga siya. And for me, it's princess treatment, lalo na kapag hirap na siya financially, tapos bibilhan ka pa niya. For me, it's princess treatment.
On my end kasi, kahit hindi siya yung physical flowers, but it's the thought of the just because. Yun na
Yeah,
yun eh.
yun din
Parang,
eh.
gusto mong ma-feel niya na special siya, na naaalala mo siya. Yun na yun
Saka
eh.
kapag ganong mindset kasi for me, like just because, parang ano siya eh, routine mo na lang din talaga na gawin yung mga
Like,
ganong
it should
bagay.
be a norm in the relationship.
Yeah.
Na
Like,
naalala
pero
mo,
for
you
me,
make
ano
efforts.
naman, depende pa rin naman yun dun sa...
Yeah, it's contextual.
Sa
tao
and
pa rin naman
situational.
Kumbaga, it also doesn't have to be gantong flowers.
Yeah, pero the thought
lagi.
kasi na, parang just because, parang ang takbo kasi ng utak mo dun.
Oo.
Wala lang, naalala mo lang siya, bilan mo lang.
Oh.
Yeah.
Yun na yung standard ng relationship. So,
O kaya even like the
normal na
small
lang siya.
efforts.
Yeah.
Ako talaga, nakafocus talaga ako on the financial aspect of it talaga.
Which is good naman
Which
for
is
me.
good.
I'm
It
really
has to
concerned
be.
about it. Ayan, so, ako next bubunot.
Yes.
Go.
Ayan, so, ang ating mahiwagang ball. Ito. It is number 15. Wait, ang hirap niyang i-ano.
diba?
Ang hirap niyang
Sino ba
i-open.
nagtutinian?
Ang hirap niyang i-open. Wait lang.
Sobrang ayos sa pagkakatupi ng aming team.
Ito, okay. Remembering every small detail about her. Princess treatment or bare minimum. Sabay-sabay tayo.
Wait lang!
Alam na agad natin yung sagot dito eh.
Nagtingin lang tayo,
Tingin na nalatani.
Uy, parang hindi ako kasama sa signal niyo doon.
Okay, tingnan ka na.
Okay.
Ako ba una?
Hindi, sabay-sabay
Sabay na.
tayo. Binigyan ko na namin signal kung ano sagot namin. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Bare
Bare minimum.
minimum.
Oh.
Exactly. Remembering every small detail
Yeah.
about her should be a given na so first impression natin, or like, when you're giving the first impression, gawain talaga natin to. Do you
Of
remember?
course.
Oo.
Nino-notes pa natin.
Tama.
Way mo yan para magpapansin din.
Oo.
Yeah.
Parang it doesn't have to be naman na lahat nasa memory
Oo.
mo. Okay na yung kahit nasa notes eh. Tapos maalala mo
Yeah.
yung gagawa niya before,
Ayun, ganun ginagawa.
notice mo.
Yeah, ganun ang ginawa niya sa akin actually. Kaya na-fall in love ako noon.
Ang panawagan natin ay,
Ayun na naman
Sana
na.
all.
Nakita ko yun. Hindi niya talaga pinapakita.
Mm.
Pero, nung, tumingin ako sa phone niya, like, with his consent, nakita ko, may specific, doon, title, things that she likes. Tapos nakalista
Sweet.
doon, lahat ng binanggit ko sa kanya. Like, yung favorite food ko, favorite color, flowers, the things that I wear. Lahat yun, ni-notes niya. And like, unconsciously, natatandaan niya na lang. Hindi niya na kailangan
Oo.
Wala nang
gawin ng
routine na sa kanya na...
oo, like
parang
alam niya na eh. Kasi yun na lagi
love
binibining niya
parang
pag
form of
magkasama
love din
kayo.
talaga yung...
Yeah, when you remember small things about
Yeah.
it.
Kapag
Because
curiosity,
why?
curiosity
Small
din.
things matter.
Oo.
Right? Small things
Yeah.
matter.
Minsan nga mas nagmamatter pa yung small things, eh, diba?
Exactly. And sometimes those small things are the causes of arguments.
Ay, actually. Minsan
Leading
small
to the big
problem,
matters.
nagiging malaking problem bigla kapag ganyan eh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next
bunot.
Okay, Next bunot. Next bunot. Number. Grabe, struggle ka.
Struggle, di ba?
Sobrang,
Parang ayaw niya magpabuo.
team namin.
Number 13. Him being masculine and dominant for her.
Hindi masculine or dominant for her?
Siguro ano to, like parang...
Is that physical or
Physical sense or
characteristic?
yeah,
Like,
characteristic.
Feeling ko,
paano dominant? Like, dominant in leadership?
Dominant siguro. Like for example, the guy, parang siya yung nag-lead
Okay,
ng
dito
relation.
tayo. Halika dito ba? Parang ganun ba? Wag ka dyan, dito ka. Parang ganun ba? Wag mo tong suotin. Ganun?
Paano ba? Tayo maglalagay ng context?
Wait, patingin ako. Him being masculine and dominant for her.
Masculine.
Feeling ko,
Masculine.
Is
ano
it,
to eh.
hindi siya physical, no?
Hindi.
Can we check with our team? Hindi siya physical?
Hindi po, ano siya, for example, di ba kasi usually ngayon, ano na, parang nagiging princess na ang mga boys, tapos tayo na nagiging masculine for them.
Immaturity ba to?
Immaturity. I love the term.
Parang ano na yun eh, ayaw mo mag-effort.
Yeah.
Okay, in the context of how they lead.
Ano ulit yung ano? Nakalimutan ko.
Masculine and
Him being
dominant.
masculine and dominant for her.
I think wala sa bare minimum or princess treatment yan.
Actually,
Wala.
like, it's a
Yeah.
50-50, Okay, move forward tayo, Jen.
Bunot
Bunot ka ulit ako doon. Nagulo din ako eh. Nagulo din ako eh.
Parang kasalanan ko yun.
Pero, isingit na lang din natin. Kapag nasa relationship ka kasi, like the guys, may side sila na hindi pinapakita with other
Yeah.
people. Yung nagpapa-baby.
Oh, actually.
Nagpapa-baby, aminin. Aminin.
Yeah.
True.
May video ko na ng jowa ako, nagpapa-baby kasi yung baby talk, isa din yan.
Uy,
Ayaw
parang
na
normal lang naman yun.
Oh, sige ba? Chu-chu-chu-chu-chu.
Totoo. Pero actually, as a girl din, lalo na in leadership, ang saya din ng if your partner knows how to lead the relationship, pag pagod ka din. I think it's more of a 50-50
Yeah.
moment din eh.
Yeah.
Knowing when
Pakiramdaman
ikaw
na lang din talaga
magli-lead.
eh.
Oo. Tsaka when the guy will lead.
Okay. So, for our next bunot. Exerting efforts for her without her having to ask for it. Bare minimum!
Agad-agad!
Wala lang ano yun eh.
Wala nang discussion about it. That's bare
Effort.
minimum.
Grabe, of course.
Iba kasi yung asking about it, tsaka communicating eh.
Yeah. Saka for me naman, kung kung sinabi ng taong mahal ka niya, that should be, present always. Hindi mo na siya dapat ina-ask pa eh. Yung effort dapat present siya lagi. Though, of course, hindi naman lahat ng bagay masasatisfy ng tao sa end mo, but dapat clearly, nagtatry siya.
Yeah.
Pero in reality din, no, there are things na we ask from our partners.
Yeah, because we
Yeah.
don't want regrets.
Tsaka minsan, meron ding scenarios na hindi talaga nila alam or hindi nila
Ayun din.
notice.
Parang argument din siya sometimes, di ba? Like,
Oo.
parang
Bakit
linya.
hindi mo to alam?
Oo.
Ganon.
Tapos ang sagot naman ng isa, wala ka namang sinasabi.
Wala ka
namang
Hindi ka
binasa.
naman
Kasi-
kayang basahin yung utak mo para,
diba?
Regarding sa efforts, we can all agree na laziness kills a relationship.
Yeah.
Actually, hindi
Yeah.
lang sa relationship eh.
In everything yun
Diba?
eh.
Yeah. Laziness kills a relationship. When you don't put in the effort, parang mawawala
Bakit ba
na.
tayo nandito?
Diba? You're going to,
Diba?
you're going to, claim na you
Ay.
like someone, you like something.
Tapos wala kang gagawin.
ginagawa.
Parang label lang yung meron kayo, pero wala talaga
Like,
yung
paano
label.
ka magko-commit, di ba? Kung walang effort.
What's the sense? Kumbaga.
Oh, like, parang bakit tayo pumasok dito?
Dapat mag-isa ka na lang.
Diba?
diba?
Mag-isa ka na lang sa relationship, huwag ka na maghanap ng iba.
Oo nga.
Ayan.
Okay, so, move forward na tayo dito sa ating
May
game na
bagong
to.
bowl.
Mamaya na ulit siya. May
Mamaya na
comeback
ulit.
siya.
Tago
Comeback
na
siya
natin yung
later.
ball.
Comeback siya later.
Diba?
So,
Aesthetic yung bowl namin na yun eh. Next, ano natin is,
ano ba ang next topic natin?
what's your perspective on situationships? Kasi diba, it's commonly talked about
Pero,
ngayon.
pwede pa palawakin muna natin ano bang meaning talaga ng situationships. Kasi hindi din ako personally familiar. I mean, lagi siyang nababanggit eh. Pero ano ba yung process sa loob ng situationship?
Parang as what I've understood kasi this, I think also from social media, na situationship is when you act like you're in a relationship but you're not actually in a relationship.
Yeah, it's crossing the boundaries of friendship. Yung parang,
okay.
ang ginagawa nyo, what lovers do, pero hindi naman talaga kayo yung lovers. You're not
Mayroon
really
ding
lovers.
dating na nasa situationship eh. Na parang, I'm not sure whether it's like, nasa boundaries ba
Siguro
siya,
form of
or nasa
dating.
setup siya.
Siguro they're not ready for commitment. Kaya situationship na lang yung nilagay nila as their label.
Hindi nag-move forward.
Hindi
Ako
na
yung masyadong
progress.
aggressive. Aggressive siya for me, no? Parang,
Kasi minamadali.
yeah, aggression siya for me. Parang naaatat ka masyadong gawin yung mga bagay na hindi mo naman dapat ginagawa pa.
Pero yan din kasi actually mahirap eh. Since like, di ba, in social media, mayroong portrayal of love. Tapos other people, hindi nila alam na, eto ba masyado na ba itong mabilis? Pero ito kasi yung nakikita ko or nakoconsume kong media.
Pero I remember, sinabi nung person before sa akin.
Yeah.
Kasi parang medyo mabilis din yung naging process ng relationship na yun. Parang medyo mabilis yung I love you part. I'm not ready for that moment pa. Tapos ang nangyari, ang naging claim niya, parang defense about it, is parang wala naman daw specific timeline ang process ng pagpasok sa relationship or parang wala namang time yan kung kailan mo malalaman na mahal mo yung tao.
I think that's also true. Na hindi mo siya pwedeng iset na 3 months, 5 months, ganon, or after 5 years.
Parang hindi ba siya love bombing?
Actually, it's a form of love bombing na din eh. Kasi,
Diba?
you're exerting
Kung
a lot
sobrang
of...
bilis, ha?
Yeah.
Kasi for me naman,
Nafe-feel
kung-
mo naman yun
kahit
eh.
naman mahal mo yung tao, kung alam mo yung boundaries ng process nyo, kaya mo i-keep pa muna eh.
Ang
Yeah.
hirap ng situationships because the boundaries are not really clear.
Yeah.
Diyan mo din matatanong
ayun
Like, as time goes on, kapag tumatagal.
Like, ano ba tayo? Yun
ano
yun
ba
eh. Doon
tayo?
papasok question. Ano ba tayo?
Ano ba tayo? Yung
Ay,
bigla
yun
ang
din
3
talaga yung,
a.m.
ano,
message na,
Ang hirap.
ano ba ako para sa'yo?
Tapos yan yung mga usual canon events. Yung kinabukasan, nakasin ka na nakablog.
Di ba? Either nakasi,
Ay, parang
naka-block.
ayun, ano diba? Parang you started with respect. So at least end it with respect.
Yeah. Tapos ang magiging reply na lang sa'yo, ewan ko.
Ay,
Bigla
ayun yung
magiging
nakakainis.
ganon.
I don't know.
Why?
I don't know.
Yun yung nakakainis talaga. I
How
don't
can you
know.
Hindi mo
not know?
alam.
Exactly.
Pumasok tayo sa
Yeah.
ganito tapos hindi mo
Like, I
alam.
thought you were prepared.
Like, mahirap yun kapag matagal na kayong ganon, tapos sasabihin mo,
I don't know.
Like, parang, didn't we had this conversation from the start na
Yeah.
we want to go
Like,
through this?
I understand naman na it's hard, like, processing your
Yeah.
emotions and feelings. Pero sana, be mindful na lang din of the other person na
Yeah.
mahirap para sa kanila na umasa lang for nothing.
Kumbaga,
Exactly.
really strive to communicate eh.
Yeah, communication
na,
is the key.
nahihirapan ako.
Kung
nandito
kumatok
lang
ka,
ako.
matuto kang magpaalam pag aalis ka na.
Oh.
Yun eh. Diba?
Ano ulit
Quotable.
yun, Beth?
Pag kumatok ka, matuto kang magpaalam pag aalis ka na.
Yes.
Kasi in the end of the
You
day naman,
entered eh.
kung in the end of the day naman, may masasaktan at may masasaktan kung i-end yung isang
At
relationship.
least ended talaga with respect.
Especially,
Yeah.
di ba sa part ng
Respect
ibang
sa
girls,
feelings and shinare.
kahit hindi, for example, yung girl na yun, hindi naman talaga niya like yung guy. Tapos nagparamdam yung guy. Tapos parang ang nangyari, biglang umalis yung guy. May factor pa rin yun sa girl. Kahit sabihin mong, from the very first place, wala naman siya interest dun sa guy. Diba?
Kasi actually, that's also one of like the hardest conversation ngayon. Like, how will you tell a person na,
How will you reject them?
oo,
Ay, ayun
tsaka
din siguro
paano mo
yung
sasabihin na
strength.
ayaw mo na.
dapat yun din siguro yung strength na i-mold mo muna sa sarili mo.
Yeah, learning to accept rejection.
Yeah, and learning
Tsaka learn
how
to
to
communicate
tell
din
your
eh.
truth.
Yeah.
Learning how to tell your truth lang din. Kasi, of course, bakit ka ba nandun sa relationship na yun? Diba? Magpapakatotoo ka na lang.
Yeah, actually, I have this friend na nireject siya nung crush niya. And I really appreciated how her crush rejected her kasi isa sa line na sinabi niya was, you were a star that I couldn't reach and I'm choosing to reject you because I want you to shine brighter.
So, parang nagparaya siya in a way.
Yeah,
Diba?
para mag-develop pa siya. Like, you're this type of person na I can't really reach. So, I still want you to shine brighter. Ako na ang magpaparaya.
Grabe yung genuinity nung...
Pero I also
Ganun
feel
natin.
like that person will still try.
Oo,
To
nagtatry
reach
nga.
heights.
Nagkaroon siya ng situationship.
Ay, sorry kay friend. Sorry, friend.
Ayun na.
Sorry po.
Ni-reject,
Sorry,
tapos
friend.
nagkaroon
Parang
ng
naguluhan ako bigla
unclear
doon.
boundaries.
Akala ko like parang,
Akala ko positive na siya eh.
oh, romantic na parang, they're still
Nagiging
trying to,
romantic sila. Like, after the rejection, akala mo, okay, wala nang romantic situations. Pero,
Meron pa rin.
meron pa din.
at naging situationship sila.
Tapos ngayon, ang nag-i-initiate is the guy.
Actually, medyo okay pa naman yon kasi yung guy nag-effort uli eh.
Nireject
Pero at
niya na
least
yung girl, pero...
Ah, siya yung... Oh my God.
Oo, yung guy
Parang
nag-reject.
binabawi niya yung sinabi niya before.
Yeah, parang binabawi niya.
Kinakain niya lang din yung mga pinagsasabi niya before.
Parang,
No, I thought like parang tinatry pa rin ni guy i-reach si girl.
no.
Feeling ko
parang
ano,
naging unclear na lang siya.
Hindi ba siya parang
Parang
ano?
indecisive.
Hindi ba siya ano? Like, okay, maganda naman yung sinabi mo kanina na parang gusto niya pa mag-develop.
Oo.
Pero hindi mo ba siya nakita as a form of insecurity? Kasi kung ganun yung naging approach niya after, parang hindi siya sure sa naging decision niya.
We aren't really sure if he's insecure or not. Kasi mahirap din eh. Love isn't just about na magpaparaya ka. Minsan gusto mo na lang talaga magparaya for the person and not because you're insecure.
Pero, ang gulo din kasi sa part nung
Oh, like
friend
parang
mo.
if you already rejected
Yeah.
it, diba?
Lalo
Okay.
kung sa'yo nang galing yung rejection.
But okay
Boundary
lang naman
na.
sa kanya.
Baka ano sila girl, papunta sila sa ibang form naman ng ano.
Yeah, baka mag-progress. Hopefully.
Oo.
Actually,
Hopefully.
biniwish ko din na mag-progress talaga sila. Ako na mismo nagpo-push sa kanya.
Manifesting na lang.
Yeah.
Sana dun sila sa good side.
Yeah.
Iwas kayo dun sa bad side.
Doon sila mapunta sa long-term
Oo.
relationship talaga.
Oh, mali mo slow burn pala sila. Ganon.
Hala.
Courting naman. Pag-usapan naman natin ang courting.
Court.
Kasi di ba parang yun yung missing sa
Nasan ko
ano?
ba yun? Wait lang.
Actually,
Have we experienced it first?
may long-term relationship ako.
Naranasan ko pala.
Hindi, ninigawan niya naman ako, pero for a month.
Then,
For a
sinagot mo
month,
na siya.
yeah. Sinagot ko na siya for a month. After a month of, like, panliligaw, this might be weird for some people na sinagot ko na siya after a month. Pero kasi, during those months,
You're already sure.
I was already sure. And he was being genuine na talaga.
Beautiful.
I love that you're
How-
already sure eh. You
How
knew.
I was sure, kasi I already met, like, his friends. And sa friends niya pa lang, nung siya, di ba, we hanged out.
Yeah.
Tapos nung nag-CR siya, syempre, yung friends,
Kaya
nagkumpulan.
naiiwan. Yeah.
And then, doon nila binoking lahat ng sinabi ng current boyfriend ko sa kanila. Like, he was always talking about you. He was bragging
Sweet.
about you. He
Bare
always...
minimum.
Oo.
Exactly,
Natural na
it's
yun
the
pag
bare
in love ka.
minimum. Exactly, he's a
Natural
green
na siya.
flag.
Kapag in love ka, natural na.
And not only that, he even asks for their opinion if tama ba yung gagawin niya or not. Because he didn't want to like, magkamali. Kasi he sees, nakita niya na agad yung long-term relationship naming dalawa without any clear stuff.
He values you.
Yeah. He really values me and I love you, Han. Ang tawagan, actually, kinausap ko dyan kasi I'm the type of person that will call anyone love, darling.
Yeah.
Ayan, sila Migs, ang tawag ko sa kanila
Love.
una, hi love, kaya tinatawag nila ako, ate love. Pero nung kinausap ko yung, boyfriend, he really likes it when I call him honey.
Honey.
Oh.
Honey. Or like, nickname niya nga sa messenger ko, hubby. Diba? Hubby.
So,
I'm so
Diba?
happy for you.
totoo.
Kahit na
Like, parang, sa kwento niya palang nasusuffice na yung Valentine's
like parang,
ko eh.
I'm so happy. Parang pwede bang kwenta mo na lang kami.
Oo nga.
Sige, okay lang naman.
Parang okay na kami sa relasyon mo.
Sa relasyon ko na lang.
Kasi how you guys pour love, like, daman namin siya.
Sabi, ang cute naman nun.
Diba?
Beautiful
ikaw
it
ng
is.
hubby. Like, there's all...
Ano yun? Ikaw nakaisip nun? Nag-decide ka?
Ako, yeah. Ako nagtawag sa kanya ng hubby. I really value call signs talaga.
Ano tawag niya sa'yo?
Wifey.
Sabi niya ng wifey.
Ano din.
Perfect!
Actually, ako kasi yung type of person that likes planning. I really like it when I plan. So, plinano ko na buhay namin. First 3 months of dating, planado na lahat. Okay, ganito bahay natin. Ganito yung mga ganito
Pero ang
ganyan.
cute nun, no?
The honeymoon phase, ano?
Pero ang cute
Yeah.
nun yung like, nagpaplano kayo.
Magto 2 years na kami, pero we're still at that honeymoon phase.
I love that.
Which is dapat naman. For me kasi, dapat yung ligawan stage, hindi siya nahihinto.
Oo.
Kasi ligaw is a form of
Oo.
expressing your love. So,
Yeah.
kung wala lang tayo, di go lang. Express mo lang siya always.
I really love my jowa talaga. Alam niyo ba?
I really love myself.
Kapag
I love your relationship.
nagtatampo ko sa kanya. Kapag nagtatampo ko sa kanya,
Ganyan ka din ba, yung tone mo?
Pag nagtatampo
Pag nagtatampo ako sa kanya.
kasi, alam mo, nagpaparaya na lang siya. Kahit, sabi, yung ginawa ko, parang gumagano na lang din
Eh,
siya. I
pero
can
ikaw
feel
naman,
it.
paano ka nagsasorry?
Paano ba ako mag-sorry? Like, long message talaga siya. Ina-acknowledge ko kung ano yung nagawa kong mali. Siyempre, of course, hindi ko ma-help. I need to explain my side din
Yeah, of
naman.
course.
But at the same time, alam ko na mali ako. And then I'll say sorry. Tapos, of course, hindi mawawala siya. I love you. I'm really sorry. I'm sorry I did this. This won't happen again. Diba? Tapos after nun, syempre, after nun, magka-call kami. Dapat ganun talaga lagi. May call kami. Ay, tinatawagan ko siya.
Of course.
Because after an argument, I really want to hear his voice.
Oh.
Gusto ko marinig yung boses niya kasi it calms me down.
Ay, na-stutter na. Hindi kasi, yung sa voice, parang ano din siya, no? Parang, ay kasi, may napanood ako something online. Parang, ang attraction daw physically, nagsa-start siya sa face, ang next na is voice.
Oh.
I really like his voice. And hindi siya super lalam, but hindi din siya super tinis. Like, it's the in-between. His voice is like super comforting talaga. Alam mo yung...
Tapos may words of affirmation.
Yeah. Alam mo ba,
Lambing.
hanggang ngayon, kapag nagsisend siya ng voicemail, nang sabihin, I love you, ingat ka, mga ganun.
Nangyayangit na siya. Hindi na to podcast.
Pina-forward ko siya sa sarili ko. Tapos, before I go to sleep, I listen to it. Tapos, dun lang ako makakatulog.